Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve this equation. Go right ahead, pause the video, try it, and come in back and watch. All right, we have 15 minus to the power of minus x times 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 1. So let's solve for x. Let's find the value of x. So first, what we are going to do here, we are going to, as you can see, 9, we can raise it to the power of 3 to the power of 2, right? Let's work out like that. So 15 minus x times 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of 2 factor of x minus 1 is equals to 1. Let's solve this part. So this becomes 15 to the power of minus x times 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times x, 2x, and 2 times minus 1 minus 2 is equals to 1. All right. Now, as you can see, now we have this, and they have the same powers. So we can go right ahead to say 15 to the power of minus x times 5 times 3 to the power of 2x minus 2, because they have the same power. Now we simplify 15 to the power of minus x times 15 to the power of 2x minus 2 is equals to 1. Now, as you can see, this is same base, so we can simply add the powers because we are multiplying. So it's going to be 15 to the power of minus x plus 2x plus, but plus minus we will be remained with 2 minus. So minus 2 is equals to. All right, it's also good to remember that any number raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So since we have 15 here, we can simply say 15 to the power of 0, because 15 to the power of 0 still gives us 1. Now, because the base are now the same, we are going to equate the powers. So minus x plus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. And minus x plus 2x is equals to x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 2. I hope you get this right. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next one. Bye.